Number 20, we're asked to condense this log expression. So we'll start by distributing that 2 across the parentheses, and we'll have 2 common log of 2 plus 2 times the common log of 4. Then we can use the power property, which takes that coefficient and makes it the exponent on the argument of the log. So that would be a log of 2 squared plus a log of 4 squared. Then the log of 2 squared is common log of 4. The log of 4 squared would be the log of 16. And then we can use the product property to condense those into the log of 4 times 64, which is 64. And then in number 21, we're going to do that in reverse, and we're going to take a single log expression with a complicated argument and expand that into multiple logs as a sum and difference. So if it's a numerator, like the x is in the numerator, then that's going to be a positive log. So we have a positive log of x. Anything in the denominator will have a negative in front of it. So we'll have the negative log of the quantity 3y to the third power. Then we can grab that exponent and make it the coefficient on that log using the power property. So that would be the log of x minus 3 log of the quantity 3y. And then we can expand that further. Since that's a product, we can expand that using the product property. So we'll have the log of x minus 3 times the quantity log of 3 plus the log of y. And then we can distribute that negative 3, and we'll have the log of x minus 3 common log of 3 minus 3 common log of y. And then we could, if we wanted to evaluate this part in the middle, we could make that 3 to the third using the power property, which would give us a log of x minus a log of 27 minus 3 log of y. But either of those, the one before it or this one, would be fine. They're equivalent and both expanded. Okay, in number 22, we want to condense this expression into a single log. So we'll go ahead and use the product property to combine that to a log of the quantity 2x. And then we have, using the power property, the log of the cube root of 8, making that 1/3 power on the 8. 1/3 power is the same as a cube root, and then that's minus the log of y. Then we could use the power property to move that 4 up to be exponent on the quantity 2x. So the cube root of 8 is 2, so that would be a log of 2 minus a log of y. And then 2 to the 4th is 16, so that would be a log of 16x to the 4th. Then, since this is a negative log of 2 and a negative log of y, the quotient property would pull that 2 and that y into the denominator. And then we can simplify 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we'll have an 8x to the 4th divided by y as the argument of our single log. In number 23, we're going to expand the natural log of the square root of 2x divided by y. So we'll put the natural log of the square root of 2x minus the natural log of y using the quotient property. The natural log of 2x raised to the 1/2 power whoops, would be another way that we could represent that square root. And that allows us then to use the power property to move that exponent as a coefficient. So 1/2 natural log of the quantity 2x minus the natural log of y. Then we can use the product property to make this into the natural log of 2 plus the natural log of x minus the natural log of y, and then distribute, and we'll have a 1/2 natural log of 2 plus 1/2 natural log of x minus the natural log of y. And that would be expanded.